Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for NEET preparation. First, set up a dedicated Notion workspace for all your studies. Create separate pages for each subject, such as physics, chemistry, and biology, to keep everything organized and easily accessible. You can also use Notion's versatile templates to quickly establish daily study schedules and track your overall progress from day one. This initial setup is crucial for an efficient and successful study journey. Next, let's focus on effective study planning. Design a weekly planner within Notion, allocating specific topics and time blocks for each subject. Track your daily study hours and monitor your completed syllabus percentage to stay on course. Furthermore, implement a spaced repetition system to ensure long-term retention of key concepts. This structured approach helps maximize your learning efficiency and ensures consistent progress towards your goals. Now, let's organize your study content. Store all your essential materials, including detailed notes, textbooks, and practice questions, directly within Notion. Leverage Notion's linking capabilities to connect related concepts across different subjects, fostering a holistic understanding. Additionally, create a dedicated database for important formulas, diagrams, and mnemonics, making them easily searchable and accessible whenever you need a quick review. Finally, focus on practice and performance analysis. Maintain a detailed log of all your mock test scores within Notion, clearly identifying your weak areas. Thoroughly review incorrect answers and add them to a dedicated revision list for focused practice. Set achievable weekly goals, such as completing 3 chapters or solving 50 questions, and consistently monitor your overall performance to ensure continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.